Before I go ahead and close the ends of the lampshade, I'm going to remove any markings that are on the plastic that either got there by any kind of smudging or any other type of small markings or by accident. And to do this, I use some alcohol on a piece of cotton. That works great for ink. It takes it off of most surfaces, and it works really well with this sheet of plastic. So I go around and I clean off any small little smudges or dots that aren't supposed to be there. And once my image looks really nice and clean, and I see that there's no other added markings on it, I go ahead and roll it up, and I line up the holes and get them ready for putting in the fasteners. These metal fasteners are really great. They go right into the hole, and all I have to do is just separate the back ends, and they give a really nice tight grip, and they're just very easy to use, and they also look nice. The gold dots going down the side, they don't take away anything from the lampshade, because if you're going to be using glue or something to some type of adhesive to glue the ends of the plastic sheet, being that it's so translucent that you can see through it, the glue is going to, even if it dries clear, it's going to look like a wet spot going down, and it just doesn't look nice. The gold fasteners are definitely what makes the project, as far as putting the ends together, really what makes the project look nice and clean and neat and has a professional touch to it. So go ahead and put your 4 fasteners in and make sure that they are pressed down. The 2 sheets, the 2 layers are pressed down nice and tight, and you close the ends of the fasteners, and that should hold really well. And now you can see the shape of the plastic is round, and it's almost ready to be put over a light bulb. I just want to mention that sometimes a lampshade has a kind of a narrow shape on the top, and it gets wider towards the bottom. This can also be done that way. If you cut the ends of the plastic at an angle, you can also close it that way, but it doesn't have to be done that way. I think the project also, the lampshade looks just as nice if it sits straight without the angle, without the going narrow from the top and getting wider on the bottom. So it's just a matter of your taste, of your liking. So now I've shown you how to close the lampshade with the metal fasteners and get it ready for hanging.